Hi, Carolyn.
Hello, Martine.
So I've been on a holiday for 2 weeks, and you
Yes.
haven't been doing your yoga.
No, I haven't.
So you've had a couple of weeks off. How's that been for you?
It's not been very good for me because
Really?
this morning
Yeah.
I've got things hurting where they shouldn't be.
Oh, what kind of hurting?
Just sort of cramps in places that weren't there before.
Oh,
Yes.
right.
So,
And
I
so you
don't-
didn't have that before?
No,
Oh,
no. So I think that I haven't been stretching, and
Yeah.
that's made the whole difference.
so what were you feeling for that couple of weeks? How have you been feeling?
Terrible.
Oh,
Yeah,
so
really
you've
terrible.
missed it then?
I've missed you too.
Oh, have you?
No more holidays for you this year.
So what do you think the effects are coming back today for this hour that you've been doing the yoga stretching?
Well, I can feel that I haven't been stretching.
Oh,
So now I'm going to feel good today. I know I am.
are you?
Yeah, and I know that I'm going to be okay now. So-
And when you say feeling good, what does it feel like? Like, what's it like to feel good after doing the yoga stretching?
well, you feel a lot more relaxed in your muscles and
Yeah.
things,
Yeah.
and you feel longer and. Do you understand what
Yeah,
I'm trying to say?
Yeah, I get that.
Yeah.
I know
Yeah.
that's how it is.
Yeah.
You sort of create space, don't you?
Yeah,
inside
yes.
yourself.
You've got more air in there. There's
Yeah.
more room in there.
Yeah, and you sort of get a sense of peace. Do you get that as well?
Very much, yeah.
Right,
Yeah.
and like, I don't know, a sense of well-being.
And especially our breathing exercises that we do have a big effect on me.
Have they?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, that's so nice to
Yeah,
know. Thank you
it's
so
lovely.
much, Carolyn.
That's not a problem.
Thank you.